Hey, property managers, you're wondering what to expect when you send us a work order, right? So let me break it down for you, okay? So first off, you need to send your work order to ineedhelp@callservicefirst.com. I've got a team of professionals waiting for your work orders, and it is our expectation to respond to your work order within 15 minutes to let you know that we received your work order. At that point, we're going to review the work order and we're going to make contact with the property owner or the occupant to inspect the property and report back some findings. Now, when we schedule that inspection, we're going to let you know about that via communication via email, but it'll also be posted on the HOA website. Okay. Now, in addition to that, when we get out and we inspect the property, we are going to report back your findings. Now, depending on what type of work order you sent us, was it a request for proposal or was it what we consider a go-do? A go-do means we have authorization to perform work. And just something a bit about go-do. So go-dos actually save your HOA's money because there's no delay in starting the project. When there's no delay, you can remove less material, which actually means that there's less repairs, which reduces the overall cost of the project. Okay, so we get out, we inspect, we report back the findings. If it's a RFP, that findings is going to come with a proposal. If it's a go-do, that the inspection is findings is going to come with the plan for the project. You'll get updates throughout the project, which are also hosted on the HOA website. And then at the completion of the project, you're going to get a final completion email that's going to have a certificate of completion from the property owner, from the occupant, and it's also going to have a survey section on how we perform. So we're getting regular feedback from the HOA owners and residents on how we perform. Okay, so during the restoration process, called water mold cleanup, right? There's a point in that project where we consider all of the demolition complete. Whatever building materials that we plan on taking out have been taken out, and we don't anticipate any more material be taken out. At that point, that's when we can start the repair estimate, okay? And that repair estimate from that point in time where we consider demo complete, our goal is to have that repair estimate out to you within 48 hours of that time frame. Okay, so in an ideal world, you're getting the repair proposal while the emergency service is actually still taking place. So that's our deal process. Send us a work order, give us an opportunity to work with you and show what your restoration hero can do. We're your water, mold, and fire experts, and we can put the full reconstruction, put it all back together. So trust us with your work orders, give us a shot, and let us earn your trust and earn your business. Thank you.